overall, the session was good, pretty good, I would say. A lot of new things. In fact, there are a lot of documents that you have shared. We haven't seen that, and I'm sure when we go through that, I'm mostly interested in standards and a couple of other things wherein we will be utilizing them. That is where we could practically use something. Few things from my side. Some more, I think, detailing on machineries, like who are the different vendors for each of these machines.
It has been provided in the document to you.
Okay, great. So if it is there, then it is fantastic.
Yeah,
so that thing, absolutely. And probably, yeah, it's not a design session, but what I would have loved to understand, but I understand that it's a subject in itself. The series parallel combination, whatever we have discussed, was really good, but it was more theoretical. On a practical aspect, how the designing has to happen, but probably that is a part of the designing and it's a science in itself. Because I have people just doing things left, right, and center in making the connections.
We have that thing also. There is a 6-week program we have, so in which care of a complete design. This is what two days is a very condensed program. So the 6-week program, I will share you the content with you. So where we start with modeling, like when you plan the battery pack, so there is a complete of a software modeling we do. So with the modeling, we and then we go towards the design and what are the different of like form factors and what are the different of the shapes of the battery pack. That's what could be the difference in the output it will happen. That's what we do in the software. And then we come towards the physical design and all. So that's a complete 6-week program it is, where you have the management.
Great. At least that this discussion brought this important point. So I'm happy to hear that. So do let me know the details of that program. Maybe I may not be able to sit during that entire duration, but at least I will certainly like to make someone go through that entire program.
Yeah, that would be better.
Yeah. The most relevant person for that particular thing, so that we can have, see, when I strongly believe in one thing, if you want to make a good building, make the foundation strong and really good. So I think those programs may help us, but certainly I can say it was a very good program. For me also, there were a lot of concepts which got fully cleared or to great extent, at least, and I will go back and brush up somewhere else and utilize them, because we have this plant coming up at our vendors end. So yeah, I was listening to someone there that they, after making the cell, they started engraving the name of the company on the cell and all the cells got damaged.
Definitely
so
it will happen.
people do those kind of mistakes when they are experimenting. And today, so next time when I go there, I can always go and ask them. So they didn't tell me before that, but after they have completed, they told, I said, hey, why did you do all that thing? You could have done that thing in the empty cans and then you would have used it. So even what kind of welding has to be used and what kind of connectors and what kind of terminals they are using, at least I can go and have a better view on that. So it's going to be helpful.
Thank you.
Yeah. So good luck and thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
It was fine. It was a beautiful one. Actually, I have learned many things new, and the cell level and the pack level, that is still okay. But I have to learn more about the BMS level, and it will clear the concept, because that I told, that is one of the main thing or main culprit, you can say, that it is in between. Everyone is talking about the sales chemistry. Okay, it is 3.2 volt, it is 3.7 volt, this kind of things you need to manage, but no one is giving that much of light on the BMS level, and which finally will talk to our the main target application, and we need to clear on that subject first. Another thing.
Okay, so
then we might be the product will get successful.
What are the new things that you have learned in this 2 days of a session?
Yeah, that is the process, the cell making processes, pack making process, about the machineries, okay, and like different kind of welding and different testing mechanisms also, what all things you need to take care, all those parts I have learned about. Some of the, you have given good learnings about the charging profiles. That one thing that you have told, that is a new thing for me. Even you were starting the CCCV charging, we should give a preliminary 15 minutes slow charging. That is a new thing for me.
Yeah.
Okay, we should take care of in our charging profiles also for the battery safety and the life. That is a new learnings for me also.
And how do you rate
fine.
handling of the queries during the session? And
it's of course 7 out of 10, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so looking forward for more interactions, definitely. So what,
Sure.
you look after in your company, it is what the profile that you look after? It is the testings or validations that you have told me?
Yeah, actually the product validation.
Product validation.
Reliability and validation, yeah.
Okay, so you are on a main job at the end without you nothing very fast.
No, actually there are many, not only the this battery or inverters is coming to me. There are all the product category in the our domain. Everything is coming, and we are the last checkpoints before the product will go to mass production.
Okay. Yes.
So if anything goes wrong from our end, so it will be catastrophic.
Exactly.
So that is the thing. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you,
sir. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hi.
I think you can see me, right?
Yeah. You're visible and audible both.
Okay. So thank you for the section, and I learned many things. I'm new to this testing all those things. I'm the machine guy, so I know the total line production as well as that how to make the cells, because I had experience in CSI Secretary and Defense India DRDO. I just installed those total line machines.
Okay.
And here I learned from your session is main testing parameters and what are the certificates to be needed to the test for EV, especially for EVs, and many testing advantages and what are the criteria to taking care for the making of battery packs. So thanks a lot for giving this training to us, and overall it will be great.
So how do you look forward? When you will be starting something in the lithium-ion domain?
Actually, yes, I have experience in total in sales and services for the total lines of machines like dry rooms and total installation of line, but not in the pack making and the testing and validation. So this is my new positions, and I want to make the total line for this purpose. I have somehow know about the chemistries also. So even that I will check this how to make the production and this thing. So in case of battery packs, series and parallel combinations and BMS, basic things I know, but in this section I learned a lot.
Okay, that's good to know. So how do you rate the session out of a 10? How much rating that you will be giving?
It's we can give the 7.
7. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so anything else that you want to ask to me?
No, that's all clear.